viewers, subscribers, just vibes radio. Welcome people, I hope you're alright, I hope you're doing okay. We have a few topics we want to talk about today. You get me, so ensure to watch out the video to the end. Also leave a like and ensure to comment as well if you may. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video.
I say from hear the voice, I don't know a King Breezy, the Rich Badness boss, represent with Just Vibes Radio. Fully Rich Badness.
My people, so we have some interesting topic today. Also, I had an experience I really want to talk about just because I said something about a comment Popcorn made. So show the video to the end, we're going to talk about that. Also, an artist I get a whole heap of bash just because he might date a white female. And that artist is by the name of Kemar Icon. You don't know him. Of course, everybody know Icon Boss. The girl them at this small type. You don't know him. You don't know me at all, man. It's my people. Kemar Icon made a post on his Instagram page with him and his white girlfriend, right? You know, as usual, artists like to post. Well, a few artists will post them girlfriend, or a few artists will post other girls, but this one is Kemar Icon girlfriend, right? That's what we know. So the man goes to boops, post him girlfriend and thing in high and good spirit. You know, as Jamaica is filled with the bitter bitch posse or the bitter bitch group or gang, which is a bunch of females who are so bitter they do not want to see Jamaican men elevate or do things that they think isn't right for the culture. You see, that's my definition of these type of females. Some people excuse me, a female decide for comment, and this is what the female say. The female said these are the kind of niggas y'all black females run behind and support when they not even see y'all. They rather itch up with saggy skin white girl looking like when butter melt. My people, and the disrespect didn't stop right there. You get me? Other fan, well, I can't say fan, but other persons were under the comments saying that, yo, the white girl look like she breathed 300 times, look like she beat out, and all of these things, and these were coming from females specifically. Apart from the few youth them are like my mom and a comment and say, yo, the girl look like she have 300 youth. But we really want to talk about the female them first. So let me say this first and foremost. Like, none of we have the right to tell a female or a male who to date. If they want to date somebody outside of their ethical background, we not have no right. We not have no right to tell them who they want to date. So in other terms, if they want to date a white girl or a white man, who are we to tell the man them or the girl them who to date? I don't like the style. And we see it oftentimes in the dancehall arena or the dancehall industry, whereas females are so hurt when the male artist them companion are of another race. I don't know why, you get me, but female, I understand so you feel concerned and you feel insecure or a type of way, you get me. Probably when I think to yourself so not attractive, so that's the reason why you get ignorant and bitter. I don't know, I only can assume. But when I have to understand, say you are not in charge of anybody's destiny or what somebody do. So if a man feel like they want to date a white girl, you can't feel no way about it because you're not that person. You get me? So you need to get over on yourself, support the artist if you not support the artist, and not because the artist date a white girl and I go say the artist racist or uno more have son racist, you know. Uno more have son racist because all of them comment there. We understand that people are entitled to their viewpoint, but don't invade somebody's space and I go be disrespectful like that. Keep that to yourself. Me hate to see them things there. You get me? And when the man this you know back now, when you say he is disrespectful, because that me sooner say, you know, the man this back the female so that tell her to go suck her mother, and then you say the youth disrespectful, which in all honesty I wanna invade the man's space, I wanna disrespect the man for no reason at all because the man is with a white female. You know the thing, we're gonna forever have bitter females who think that they should be right and they should be in charge at all time and they dictate someone else's future. We're gonna always have that people, but comment wanna think about this. You get me? We're moving along. Some of you are subscribers. Bounty Killer weighs in on Mavado's son murder conviction. You get me? And me say me dey come do a video on this a long time ago, but me and say me just go and wait. Me a go and wait until the right time, right? So this is how Bounty Killer say. But my heart is wrenching, and any man with young sons would be as trouble never set like rain, and nobody knows what tomorrow brings. It's today for me and tomorrow for you. Only one life we got, so let's live it right. Folks, he continued, none of your subscribers. He also said, life consists of good and bad, ups and downs, troubles, trials, and even tragedy that we all have to survive to thrive. It's not an easy road. Sounds simple, but that's what helped me through my darkest days. Prayers work. You get my viewers, subscribers. So the man basically, I'm gonna know so yo right now, Mavado I go through a whole heap right now. You see it, him son get convicted, plus him have to deal with the loss of his mother and all of them things here. You see it, so Bounty Killer just to show you how concerned he is, and that's one thing I like with Bounty Killer. You get me? A man always show same concern, and you see it, and he's not a man where I just this. So if you even this last year, you see once you go through a hard time, the man I go show you him support, and in a time like this, Mavado need the support. You now go hear me comment upon the conviction. You get me? Me no study criminology. I'm not a judge. I'm not a jury. We'll let that alone, but we only have to talk about the well-being of the artist. How him feel right now, where I go through right now. So far, we haven't really hear him address the matter, you see it specifically, but we can tell us him I got you a hard time now, you see it, and Bounty Killer, we can tell us that really help, and I have to respect it because you're always been a man of your word. You taught nothing but facts. You get me? I'm rate that, my viewer subscribers. But what you think about the conviction? If you want to comment in the comment section below, you can comment. You get me? My viewer subscribers. So Popcorn made a post on Instagram, right? Yes, man. Popcorn made a post on Instagram, and a female, right? A female which is a fan of Popcorn commented, right? The female commented and say, "What's Jack your matey?" I don't know if the female that tried to be funny or if the person was serious. I don't know. You get me? But the person basically said, "What's Jack your matey?" with a laughing emoji. And you know how Popcorn stay as he is, you see it, ready, Instagram finger happy and Twitter finger happy, ready to go under the comments and disrespect people, which in my own opinion, we can't tell him who for disrespect because a film platform, so if you go on and him page and say something like, him free if you actually take you on and free if you do whatever you want, you see it. So we're not gonna argue about that. So his remarks was, as Jamaica national word, go suck your mother. Pussy. Girl want pay me for sex them, and me still wouldn't fight over none. I guess him really feel it for no say yo, people are say yo, him a war over a girl or whatever. So me understand that. You get me? Mother feel the same way. You get me? If somebody constantly a ring it in a me ears as me a fight over female, especially if that was not the case. So me understand all of that. You get me? And sometimes we ego get the best of we. But in this case, Popcorn has always been that type of person for make his ego get the best of him. Based off of what me observe, he's the type of artist where once you say something, he might go find you and he might go DM you, or he might go comment under the comment section and disrespect you wicked. So me see the post and me comment and say over our next page, because of course me now go comment under the man artist page, you see it. So I comment and say, yo, this couldn't have been an alkaline. You get me? This couldn't have been an alkaline to go under a comment and disrespect anybody or whatever the case may be. That's the base color me I say. So I say, come on us. Right, my viewers, subscribers, I was just giving my opinion, you know. Remember, it was never under Popcorn page. Right? 2 twos within seconds, a lot of persons start DM me, threatening me, and I say, yo, this end it where them see me. More show the inbox, more show the message, but me can't show you. You see it? People are DM me and say, yo, me love man and alkaline, this and that. Under the comment at the post also, I say all these things, but in all honesty, my viewers, subscribers, I was not trying to be disrespectful. You get me? But basically I say the man wanna compare him with all the time will never do something like that. There's a few artists you will never see under the comment section disrespecting any fans whatsoever. I don't care where a fan wants to say. You get me? You will never see an Alkaline do that. You will never see certain artists do that. You get me? And what them don't understand is silence is the most or the biggest power you can ever have. But if you're going back and forth with fan and the comments and Twitter and DM and all, it not make you much of a bigger person. You know all that fan feel right now when Popcorn tag her. All if it's at this Popcorn, this you know how she feel because people are check her out now and all them things here. That's all I did say. But then again, we all entitled to our opinion. We probably shouldn't determine about the comment and say nothing. You get me, viewers, subscribers, but comment on the thing. You get me? I mean, Popcorn a good artist, still has some rate and look up to. He's the poster boy for Jamaica. We can't take that away from him, but he have some ways where a lot of people don't like. But until next time, just vibes, I'm out.